These are lemon ricotta pancakes with a lemon curd sauce. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this one. Okay, so let's start off with this batter here in the bowl. Flour, 1 egg, half and half, a couple tablespoons of baking powder, a couple tablespoons of sugar. And then here's the ricotta that I made in the last couple videos ago, but you can use a store-bought. Fresh is always best. Some melted butter. Also, I tend to melt the butter in the pan that I'm gonna cook the pancakes in, so I already coat it with some fat. Then lemon zest. Okay, so here's a little tip with zesting the lemon. I've talked about this in many videos, but a lot of you guys probably think of zesting lemons this way, right? You're not really gonna get a consistent amount of zest. You probably won't get the whole zest. I like to do it this way, so you can come on in here. Take the lemon, and it's just as if I'm peeling a potato. Just work my way all the way around it. As you can tell, it's pretty clean compared to the other lemon. So I used the zest of 2 lemons for this recipe, but also mind you, these are pretty big lemons. If you have some that are smaller, you might want to use the zest of 4 lemons. Just pretty much eyeball it, use common sense here. Then just whisk. Forgot to mention, pinch of salt. You can also add vanilla extract if you want, but these are lemon ricotta pancakes, so I want to keep it lemony. So you do not want to over whisk or mix your pancakes ever. You always want these lumps in there. We don't want it to be completely smooth, so keep that lumpy. This is the consistency that I want right here. Okay, so for this, I'm using a carbon steel pan, or you can use a cast iron skillet, or obviously a non-stick skillet if you got that. One thing I will mention about this pancake batter, if it's a little too runny, just add a little bit more baking powder, whisk that up, and let it sit for like another minute, and it very well should stiffen up. Or you can toss this into the fridge, and it'll stiffen up as well. This has been in the fridge for about 5 minutes or so. There's our pancakes, looking beautiful. I've got the Meyer lemon curd. Just gonna pour that on now. All right, let's go ahead and try these out. They look really freaking good. Honestly, this is kind of like lemon meringue pie. It tastes kind of like that. This is really freaking good. I forgot to make it, but this would be really good with some whipped cream on top. That'd be totally like pie. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is gonna be a great Easter dish because Easter's coming up. If you guys wanna make this for Easter or any other time. Subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.